Hey guys, this is Justin down at Battleground Kia. Right now we're standing on our lot, and behind me is our 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. Hey guys, one thing I really enjoy about this vehicle, the fog lights to help you see better at night. This vehicle also comes with alloy and black chrome rims, as well as your heated windshield wipers. Now this vehicle is also equipped with a tow package. If you guys want to follow me on the inside, I'll show you some more. Hey guys, this is the interior of my 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Now it does come equipped with WeatherTech mats, as well as a leather wrapped steering wheel. You're going to have dials for your off-road adventures, as well as a touchscreen monitor with navigation. Now you have a power outlet and auxiliary cord here, and when you open your cubby, you'll have a fourth one inside. One thing I really like about this car is you have a back window that you can roll down. Hey guys, this is the back seat of my 2018 4Runner. Now the WeatherTech mats do continue in the back. You're going to have multiple power outlets as well as the climate control and the cup holders for your backseat rider. And this is the back of my 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of space. You're going to have an outlet for all of your accessories when you do decide to either go camping or off-road, as well as another power outlet. I do appreciate you guys giving me the chance to show you my 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Come down to Battleground Kia and ask for Justin.